That's my thumbnail for today. And don't forget my armpit.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better. Baby, it's whatever. Get in the right, left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, skirt. Pull up skirt. Said he keeps on playing games, and his love it ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would like it the same. If you were mine, you would top everything.
Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number 12 of Writer's Pop. And today's Writer's Pop, oh, I can't say that. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified when I post a video, and follow all my social media pages, the link down in the description box below. And let's get into the vid. Okay guys, today's day number 12 of Writer's Prompt, and today's Writer's Prompt we're gonna be talking about dun, 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 dragons, or shall I say dragon. Envision a dragon. Do you battle him, or the dragons, or is the dragon friendly? I was waiting for this question one day. Okay, because I used to watch this one anime show called Fairy Tail. If you guys don't know it, or if you guys do know it, and if you're an anime fan on my channel, you will know what I'm talking about. Like a fairy tale where basically it's like a group of kids who's mystical beings, and a few of them are dragons, well, supposed to be dragon slayers, but they end up being raised by the dragons and stuff. I know it's crazy, but you gotta have to understand. So I always, if I ever because I always fans about the fantasy world, and be like, if I was in there, if I was like if I had a dragon in my fantasy world, that dragon and me will be friends. We'll be like cool, we'll be buddies. Since I'm a fire sign and you're a fire and breathing dragon, we can be cool. Like we can be like homies. So for that question, I was wanting them to be friendly. And why they be friendly? Because we're like, bruh, we can be friends and we can be fun, and we can be like basically terrorizing the whole entire town, like bad way, but we like take over their town, make sure no one do anything bad. So yeah, I will definitely have the dragon be friends. We'll be friends. I don't battle him or her, whoever, because I still haven't decided. I don't know if I should want to get a girl dragon, but I think the girl dragon will be fun because we can be best friends. Like yeah, so I'm definitely probably just gonna be a girl dragon, because for a while I couldn't decide which other, but I know what they're gonna look like. If it's a dragon, it was gonna basically be like kind of like not like how Nazi's dragon, because his, well, kind of like how his is, but it will be black and have like little red. But now it's gonna be a white dragon with little red, like little like how it have his spikes on come from his back, like a not T-Rex, but like a not T-Rex, a Triceratops Rex, kind of like when they have those little spikes like those on his back, but that was gonna be red, while her whole body is all white and have like cute, oh, they have like cute like cat eyes. But you know how cat has those like that the cat, and they have the black, and they have the gonna have kind of like cute cat eyes, but their eyes will be definitely ooh, should it be amber red, or should it be like cute like oh, probably might keep it like black and green, not black and green, black and white. But I was thinking that I don't want to be red eyes. I don't want to be white eyes. Oh, I don't know the eyes yet. Dang, well, I'm definitely know I want their eyes to be cat eyes, like the cute. And they have like those, you know how they have those mustache things? No, I don't want that for since it's gonna be a girl. No, she's not gonna have that. She's gonna have cute. She's gonna have also wings, like the cute, like big. They're not gonna be like regular dragon wings. They're gonna be like angel wings, like kind of like those angel wings, like the with the feathers and stuff like that. Cause, well, sculpt like they have their wings kind of sculptured just like angel wings, but for like it's still gonna have their dragon wings, but it's like big and poofy, just like angel wings. So I want mine to be like kind of like that, because we're gonna be like flying, so we're gonna have to be cute in style. So my outfit gotta match with your aesthetics of your whole dragon. I don't know how to explain, but basically we're gonna be matching. We're gonna be like tied like that, home buddies, and definitely have her nails black, like so they can be like always look black, and because everything black goes good everything, so, or white, so, but her whole body's gonna be black, white, and then her nails gonna be black. She'll have those red things in the rack. Yep, that's gonna sound like fire so far, but and how her, like how she breathes fire, and she kind of like have like ice and fire, because I know it's kind of crazy, because since her body's white, so you can kind of like think about it as ice, so kind of she have fire, ice, breath. So that is so cool, because especially in a episode in Fairy Tale where they had like where it had Natsu and Gray both combined their powers together, it was fire and ice. That was lit. So she's gonna have fire and ice breath, so that's gonna be awesome. And so because with her being a dragon and I don't care, I'm being a witch, so we can both like be like the most powerful magic fire breathing team ever. So if you want me to fantasize about having a dragon, this world will be lit. So, and best friend, and Emma's gonna be my best friend, so no one can mess with her. Oh shoot, we gonna be lit together. So if you want me to picture having a dragon, you think I won't think about twice about that. So, oh, also, and I'm having like that. Oh, I sound such like a fangirl right now, but just excuse me, I am fangirl and I don't care that really much, because like me having a dragon. Oh, and also I have magic fox powers, because I like foxes now. I also like foxes. I can also transform them into a fox. I don't know, because they're sneaky and cool, and they're like nice, beautiful, especially when they have white foxes. When during the winter, those are so cute. So yeah, definitely be like having a fox. Basically, can I transform into a fox? So yeah, we'll be using my magic for that, transfer into a fox, and doing a lot of other stuff. So I'm gonna be a cool witch, and so is my dragon buddy. Gonna have my dragon buddy on my side. Gonna have a fox with me, and I can turn into a fox. Ooh, oh. Oh, we'd also have like a cool bag cave. I don't want to live in a cave though. We'll have our own like little base, home base. I don't know if I should do it underground. I want to do it underground. I would definitely do it underground, because I don't want to be plain sight hidden. No, I want to be underground. I like to be in secret with it, but it gotta be somewhere super secluded. So, oh. I don't know. But I was thinking, it would be so cool. It probably might be in the ocean. I would mine probably be either in the ocean or somewhere close on an island that no one knows of. Probably right there. So yeah, I'll definitely put mine right there. But comment down below, guys, if you guys what you guys would you do if you had a dragon? Like, if you could have a dragon that you'll battle or be friends with or be partners with. Choose whichever path. Comment down below part of that, so I want to know what you guys choose up, because me, you know what I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna be friends with that dragon. We're gonna be buddies. We're gonna be partners in crime with each other. We'll be lit. So especially, I might have to ask my sister about this question later, so yeah. But I think it would be darn cool to have a dragon as a best friend. Like, who wouldn't like have a dragon as a best friend? Like, I even like, not gonna lie, I was about to turn my room into like a anime room, and I had like a dragon egg. Like, you know how they have the dragon eggs where they have like the spikes and stuff like that. I had my mom, she created one for me, and like that was cool. Like, I'm gonna keep that and probably do my room like that, like anime. I did have anime for a while, but I also had like Paris theme, so yeah, those two did not collide not so well. But now my room is kind of like Paris, but not Paris, but it has like little trinkets of Paris, but boho slash little bit cozy. Like, I want my room to go with cozy theme, so that's why my room's kind of like, you got your dark colors with your light colors, but you also have your warm stuff. Like, you got your blanket, fur. My room was basically like kind of like bougie. I don't care. My room is like bougie, but also warm and homey. Like, you can come in here and don't feel like you have to be like, oh, might not want to touch that. You can like just sit down and be like that. I do, because this is my territory. So basically my room looks like, it's like bougie, cozy, boutique, bohemian. It's a little bit of everything, like, cause that's me. I'm a little bit of everything. I'm not one specific thing. Like, I'll be too, like, I used to be like that, too gung ho on one thing. Like, I was all into pink. My room was a pink room. Me and my sister had like a pink and black room, like Monster High theme. Yeah, we had a Monster High theme. And I still have my Monster High dolls, so don't talk about me in the comments, cause that's my own way to be like a kiddish thing. So my dolls, they stay. Probably even give them to my future kid in a reference. I might cut this part out, but I don't know. But future reference, not now. Not like way in future. Way. I might give her that, my dolls. That's why I'm the real estate one. But I do play with dolls. I know, I'm a kid, you know. But future reference. Nothing's just saying I don't want that responsibility now. I still got to go my through my career and learn myself. So yeah, future reference. But yeah, having dragons in this world would be cool, but it'll also be bad right now. But depends on certain people will be bonding with those dragons. Yeah, but if anything that happened in the fantasy world comes to life, like the dragons, the other things like supernatural world comes to life, oh, this world is gonna be cray. I'm just telling you right now, it will be cray. Like, me, I'm already practiced for this. Like, y'all still might have to bend your for your skills, but me and my fam, we're gonna be good, cause I've been practiced. I just dream of this one day. Like, I know it sounds so much like a kid and like a fangirl, but I don't care. Like some people be obsessed with the zombie apocalypse and saying, not saying that will happen, but just saying. But somehow some people are crazy about that. I'm crazy about my fantasy world, about supernatural, where like vampires, ghosts, werewolves, and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm crazy about that. And dragons. I'm crazy about that, but I'm not crazy about that thing, about zombies and stuff. But yeah, I definitely have a cool best friend that is a dragon. Like, we'd be cool. Like, don't you think that would be cool? Like, you have a big old dragon. Depends on what your size. I'm gonna have mine big. That dragon's gonna be bigger than the house. That's gonna be lit, cause we're gonna be like flying. We can be like everywhere. We be like up in the sky. Oh, we be close to the sky. Yeah, that'd be cool. But yeah, well, so I guess I've been talking your ear off, but I'm excited about this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below dragon if you guys all love dragons, or you guys made it this far into the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you follow all my social media pages. They're all linked down in the description box below. And also follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm over here. I've been posting my content, so subscribe. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, kitties. Cutie out.